प्रथम राम कृष्ण रंग रहिम कर्म रंग घट घट ब्रह्म रंग हरि संग रंग रंग यो ज्ञान।
The power of Hindustani classical music is dazzling. It can bring absolute joy. It can focus the mind. It can bring pure peace. It can also alleviate many physical and mental problems. It's also great entertainment. But how does one appreciate Hindustani classical music? What are the major elements in it? We have the great doyen of Hindustani vocal music, Pandit Jasraj, with us. You're watching Our Talk. I'm Jujhar Singh. Panditji, a very warm welcome back to the show.
जय हो।
What is the power of Hindustani classical music?
In many ways I can explain you power. What is the meaning of power? If you sing a one rag, that's also become power.
But you know, Panditji, it is said that Tansen used to sing Rag Deepak and light lamps in the 16th century. How is that possible?
That is दीपक गाने से लाइट तो नहीं जलती है, मगर मल्हार गाने से पानी वर्षा होती है। और ये मेरे साथ में 2-4 बार हुआ है। जैसे एक बार दिल्ली में 8 मई
1998, I've heard of that incident. In the house of the former Revenue Secretary N.K. Singh in Delhi.
Yes.
Yeah, what happened?
That was, वो ऐसा था कि हम गा रहे थे और बहुत गर्मी थी और वो बुद्ध जयंती थी। इतना बड़ा चांद निकला, मगर चांद निकलने से कुछ नहीं होता। एंड में हमने कहा कि मैं अब धूलिया मल्हार गा रहा हूँ। धूलिया मल्हार मतलब थोड़ी थोड़ी डस्ट बाहर से कहीं से आती है। ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं करीब वर्षा हो गई, शायद वैसी ठंडी हवा आती है। तो इस राग का ये असर है, इसीलिए इसका नाम धूलिया मल्हार है। हमने करीब 25-30 मिनट गाया होगा और आप यकीन मानिए कि ऐसी ज़ोर से वर्षा हुई कि मतलब लॉन में म्यूज़िक किया था, बाहर खाना बन रहा था गरम, सब गड़बड़ हो गया।
I know, I've heard of the incident. In fact, I believe that it's been recorded on a CD as well.
Yes, ये भी सच बात है।
But see, this is the power of Hindustani classical music. But you've also told me in the past that, for example, if you sing Rag Jaunpuri, it can cure headaches. Darbari can alleviate insomnia. Nat Narayan can deal with depression.
Oh, you are no, तो आप तो बहुत कुछ जानते हैं।
नहीं, आपने ही मुझे बताया।
मैं क्या बताऊंगा? नहीं, absolutely right.
But Panditji, let me ask you, what is a good rag which brings joy, can lift people's spirits?
Om Shri Ananta Hari Narayana Ananta ऐसो पत्र पठो नृपवसंत तुम तजमान मारने दुरंत। ऐसो पत्र पठो नृपवसंत तुम तजमान मारने दुरंत। ऐसो पत्र पठो नृपवसंत कागद नवदल अम्ब पात आर कागद नवदल अम्ब पात बाँच शुक पिक तुम सुनो नार सूरदास सूरदास यूं बदत बन तुहार भज गोपी तज सयान सो पत्र पठोर बसंत। आप अगर मूड में बसंत गाएं तो ये आपको खुशियाँ दे सकता है, आपको रोमांस आपके मन में पैदा कर सकता है। ऐसा है राग ये, इसलिए इसका नाम बसंत है।
Beautiful. Thank you very much, Pandit ji.
Pandit Jasraj ji's stature, he is an iconic figure today in the world of classical music. He has started what I would say devotional, dharmic, numa khayal gayaki. His bandishes, his compositions, like it is not outside the classical idiom, because the bandish is still there, the compositions are still there, but the content and the depth he has taken from the sahitya or the literature or the shastras of our classical traditions, and he is singing them as classical music in Khayal Gayaki, which we all acknowledge is a tremendous contribution which he has made. He's been a path setter, he's been a role model in this, and that is his greatest contribution to my mind.
Panditji, let's look at the basic rules of Hindustani classical music now. You're free to innovate and create your music, but within the confines of one, a rag, and two, a tal. First of all, what is a rag, Panditji?
राग वो है कि जिसको हम 1-2 घंटे गा सकते हैं, और उसके फ्रेमवर्क है उसका राग का कि इसी में गाना चाहिए। तो और वो राग में आप अपनी मर्जी आए सो कर सकते हैं, मगर you shouldn't go out of the frame.
So at a practical level, at the musical level, a rag is a particular combination of notes which is designed to create a particular mood in the listener or the musician.
You are right. सही बात है। तो वो है राग। अदरवाइज अगर तो धुन हो जाती है। जो छोटे छोटे कुछ भी बना देते हैं वो धुन टाइप का होता है, मगर जैसे दरबारी है, मियाँ की मल्हार है, अड़ाना है, बागेश्वरी है, ये बहुत सारे राग ऐसे हैं। बागेश्वरी आपको नचा सकता है सच में। बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि बागेश्वरी जो है बहुत युवा राग है।
Panditji, there are 12 universal notes.
Yes.
What is the minimum number of notes that every rag will have, at least?
There you are. Minimum require five notes.
And the maximum?
Maximum 9.
So all the rags will be between 5 and 9 notes, a combination of between 5 and 9 notes, which then you have to innovate using those notes to create a particular mood.
There you are.
Panditji, I'm just wondering that can you pick a rag and show us how many notes that rag has and which are those notes?
Now,
As an example.
I'm giving you example, one 8 note. Miya ki Malhar has a 8 note. Sar pa ga mar pa ma pa ne da na. Here we are using 2 nishad, ni. So it become 8.
So Panditji, every rag is a particular combination of notes and therefore every rag generates a particular emotion. So you have other rags, you have for example Bilaval, which induces joy, you have Kafi, which is associated with romanticism. But my question, Panditji, is that how is it possible that a particular combination of notes generates a particular emotion?
If you use, you should know how to use it. We have a 9 ras, bhakti, Shringar, many No, अभी no.
Shringara is romanticism.
Yes.
So what is a good romantic rag?
Khamaj. जैसे ना बोलूँगी ना बोलूँगी ना बोलूँगी ओ श्री कृष्ण मनाए बिना ना बोलूँगी ना बोलूँगी ना बोलूँगी। जो शब्द है ना, इससे भी क्रिएट होता है। या हमने कहा I won't talk without that Lord Krishna should come and he apologize, and if he asks me, then I can talk, otherwise not. It's a romance.
So if a couple on a date, much better than putting on, say, Elton John would be to put on Rag Khamaj.
If somebody is annoyed with me, then I can sing for him, or her rather, not sing.
Much better, I think. Panditji, every rag is also associated with a particular time of the day and night or a particular season. So you have, for example, Bhairavi is a morning rag, Purvi is afternoon, Yaman evening, Malhar, like you were saying, is a monsoon rag, Basant is spring. What's the idea behind this?
Suppose I want to sing some rag when I am going to stage. Suddenly there is a vibration, air in my mind, in my body, touches my body. तब मैं मेरा स्वरमंडल रख देता हूँ और दूसरा राग शुरू करता हूँ, जो मेरी बॉडी को छुआ, जो मेरे दिमाग को छुआ, जो राग मुझको समझ में आ रहा है कि ये गाना चाहिए, दैट इज़ अ टाइम। और ये जो है ना, सुबह शाम राग एक एक छोटे छोटे ऋषभ में, इट्स अ वेरी मुश्किल थ्योरी। दसार गाँव मारे मा प मा द प मा प गाँव मारे। आपके दिमाग में ऋषभ जो जाएगी ना, प मा रे, तो जैसे ही नीचे जाती है वैसे आपका दिल भी डूबेगा।
So if you hear an appropriate rag at the appropriate time, it can help create the mood of that time of day or night or season.
You're right.
So Panditji, one basic rule of Hindustani classical music is that you can improvise and create your music within the confines of a rag. The second basic rule is that you've also got to follow a tal, a rhythmic cycle. Now how does this work? How many tals are there first of all?
Nobody knows. How many ragas? Nobody knows. How many talas? Nobody knows. Some says 300, some said 1000, whatever it is. But this is comes with a rag also. Rag भी हजारों के तादाद में है.
But you know, you have common tals, like you have teen tal, 16 beats, or jhap tal, 10 beats. When you're going to perform, how do you decide that this song I'm going to sing in this particular tal?
No, bandish. You learned. कौन से ताल में सीखा है वो उसी में गाएंगे। अगर मन में आया कि इसको दूसरी ताल में गाना है तो उसी टाइम पे उसको क्या कहते हैं, उसको छंद, यू हैव टू चेंज छंद। ये तीन ताल से झपताल में चला जाएगा, झपताल से एक ताल में चला जाएगा।
But if a rag is performed in say teen tal and the same rag is then performed in jhap tal, how will it sound different?
No, because it's a gati. गति जो ना स्पीड, नॉट भागने वाली स्पीड नहीं। जो छंद जो है, दा दिन दिन्ना दा दिन दिन्ना धिन्ना धिन धिन्ना।
So one is teen tal, one is jhap tal.
ताल। और वो फर्क तो होगा ही।
The pace, the tempo, the speed, all of that is affected.
Absolutely right.
Panditji, let's talk about presentation and Hindustani classical music. You begin with the slow alap. What is the purpose of the alap?
With alap, anybody can create the mood of the rag, mood of the audience, everything he can control from sitting on the stage.
You're introducing the rag,
Yes,
note by note almost.
almost. But some ragas you have to sing it immediately.
So the alap is very important to set the mood, to introduce the rag, and to introduce all the notes in the rag.
Yes. Alap is very, very essential. And because of, through alap, I told you, we make the mood of the rag. Re, ta, ra, 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 re, ta, ra, 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 re, da, na, dum, da, na, na, re, do, 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 da, na, 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 re, da, ra, 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 re, da, ra, 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 re, da, na, na, no. This is alap.
So in terms of presentation, once you have the alap, what is the next stage?
Next.
You'll sing a composition then, a bandish. Then you'll have your phrases and you'll elaborate on the rag.
Yes.
And when you're elaborating on your rag, you'll also put in lots of ornamentations, alankars.
Without alankar, without ornament, the rag beauty doesn't come. If you want to show how much beautiful this rag, you have to put some alankar. Then it comes.
Now let's talk about these ornamentations or alankars. Now one of them is meend. What is a meend?
And if you want to see meend, no, Rita, 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 this one.
So you're gliding fluently from one note to the other.
Yes. Andolan.
Andolan is another
one
alankar,
note,
yes.
one note. Re, ta, ra, 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 ra. This is Andolan on Gandhar. Sa, re, ga, ma, re, sa. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, 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 da.
So in Andolan, you're oscillating, moving around one note.
Yes.
And you're just about barely touching the adjacent note.
Yaar, you are wonderful.
This is the ornamentation. There's gamak as well. What is a gamak?
Da 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 di da 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 di da da la 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 la. Ri da la 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 ri da la 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 ri da 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 ri da 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 ri da 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 ri da no. This is gamak. Ri da 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 da.
So here's a very heavy, forceful oscillation between notes.
I want to explain one thing.
Yeah.
1960, I was sitting on the bank of Ganga river, and it happened in ऋषिकेश। वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा पत्थर था, जो पत्थर अंदर घुसा हुआ था और नीचे उसके खड्डा था। गंगा में पानी बहुत ज़ोर से था और वो आ रही थी गंगा। अनटिल दैट मुझे गमक इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती थी। सच ये क्या करने से नहीं लगती थी, मैं क्या कर। मगर जब गंगा ने, जो गंगा का पानी चला जाता था तो और आता था तब वो जो बीच में होलो था ना, वहाँ पे पानी आता जाता था। अरे मैंने कहा तो तू गमक सिखा रही है गंगा। फ्रॉम दैट डे आई स्टार्टेड सिंग गमक।
So Gangaji taught you the value of Gamak.
दैट्स राइट।
Then there are other ornamentations. Khatka, what is that?
खटका, खटका झटका लटका पटका।
Like a rapid rendition of a cluster of notes.
You're right. Da da na da.
Panditji, what is the purpose of all these alankars, these ornamentations? It's to embellish a
Yes.
rag?
That's making rag wealthy. Because if I have many things with me, I am a wealthy person.
It's to also show the possibilities of a rag, what it can do.
That's sure. This is also correct words to use. That I can making rag as big as I can. It's depend on artist.
And as beautiful. That's why it's called ornamentation.
That's ornaments gives beauty. Really, ornaments gives beauty to ragas. And you can say that ornaments, a beautiful lady, if she wearing beautiful ornaments, she look more beautiful than she used to. It's the same thing.
Panditji, it's been a wonderful lesson in Hindustani classical music. Thank you very much for joining us on our tour. And I'm wondering whether finally you can leave our viewers with something, whatever comes to your mind.
Jai Ma. I'm giving you a beautiful picture of nature. Jai Ma sakal ban gagan pavan chalat purvai re मुरभा बोले कुंजन कुंजन कलिजन कलिजन भवरा ये बरन बरन भृकिय जन शुक पिक चातक कर रहे पुकार आवो निरग निरत निरत हस रस कोबर कराये रिमा सकल बन गगन पवन चलत पुरवा आई रे